Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about gamma scalping, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
I'm showing you a trade that you can put on super small money. You pick your spots and you can get like a 10 bagger very easily. Certainly get a 5 bagger. So that's what we're looking to do here. But it's not something, like I said, that you can do every day. And you want to understand the conditions when they're ripe to give you the best opportunity. And it's not about trading every day. It's about trading with the best risk-adjusted trade. So you want to have high returns on the risk that you put out. And if you choose your spots, you'll get that. Your drawdowns will be small, your profits will be large, and that will turn into consistent profitability. So one of the things that we can do to improve our chances here is, first of all, favor low volatility environments like today. The other is that we can wait for the trade later in the day and see if we can get to a point where there's a structural level where we can place that trade. So that'll require me to go over to TradingView, and we'll talk about that a little bit. Need to turn this off first. TradingView. Man, we're going straight up, huh? That's incredible. So VIX is low, or relatively low, at around 20. I expect that it will probably continue to drop if we continue to go up. And that is producing the kind of environment that we like. That is accelerated premium decay, which would turn into higher gamma. And again, this is a gamma scalp. We want gamma to increase, and gamma increases when volatility drops. Let's see. The next thing that we want is structure. So let's take a look at yesterday, for example. So this is yesterday, and we were looking for trades. If you remember yesterday morning, I said that we were looking for a pullback into one of these structural levels. The market went up, then pulled back, and I thought it could move into one of these structural levels. And if you go back to yesterday's, you'll see I drew these arrows yesterday. But let's take a look at this from a gamma scalping point of view, and we'll draw our session lines in here. It's 2:30, and then here's the end of the day at 4. Now here's a perfect opportunity right here, right on that structural level here. So we're very late in the day here. It is, at this time, it's about 3:30 or so. Actually, it starts right around 3:30. All right. It also happened over here, right here at about 2:35. So in an environment like this with the VIX right around 19 or 20, you're going to find that your opportunity is going to be about from 2:30 to 4. If we were in much lower volatility, if the VIX was, say, around 17 or 18, that window would open up maybe as early as 1:30. And that's, again, because of that advanced premium decay. But for yesterday's trade, this would have been perfect. There would have been two opportunities. One right here, where it dropped down to structure and then popped up. And you can see it popped up fairly quickly in 3 successive bars. I'm going to expand this a little bit. There is a level at 71.38 or so that is a structural level. Price moved down to it. Now imagine we're later in the day and our butterfly would be up here somewhere. We would actually get into it. The left side of the butterfly, that would be where we would enter. And then center strike might be up here, and then the other long strike would be here. So what happens here is that price hits structural level. We might put a 20 wide fly and pay, let's say, 80 cents for it. And then in, let's see, 5, 10, 15 minutes, it moves up from 71.38 to about 10 points. A 10-point move in a trade like that is going to produce probably maybe $250 of profit for an $80 risk. And that's exactly what you would have achieved there.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.